Today, we are going to talk about that why the sounds of whispers come in the night from Mount Kailash. In Hinduism, it is believed that Lord Shiva sits on the family of Mount Kailash. This mountain is filled with supernatural powers. That is why no one has climbed this mountain to date. Apart from this, many such mysteries are associated with this mountain, to which no one has an answer. Anyone who has tried to climb Mountain Kailash has died, and due to these incidents related to death, the Chinese government has banned mountaineering. To expose the mystery of Mount Kailash, the doctor of Russia had decided to climb its peak. Many geologists were also involved in it. This team spent months close to Mount Kailash. He also disclosed many things which to date were a secret and no one knew about them. According to this team, Mount Kailash is a man-made pyramid. He also said that many supernatural activities also take place there. Dr. Muldashif has written in his book that strange whispers come from the silent manger of Mount Kailash at night. It seems that some people still live there today. Apart from this, the Tibetan gurus also believe that there are many supernatural powers. It is also said that around Mount Kailash, there is a mysterious state called Sambhala, where even today Siddha and ascetic people live. Contrary to popular claims, the pyramid-shaped Mount Meru is the result of the possessed technical expertise of some superhuman divine beings. According to the Buddhist and Hindu scriptures, around the Mount Meru exist ancient monasteries and caves wherein the holy sages reside in their material and subtle bodies. These caves can be seen by only a few fortunate ones. Every year, thousands of pilgrims enter Tibet for pilgrimage to the holy Mount Kailash. A few make it to the region and a very few manage to finish circumambulating the hollowed peak. As for climbing up the summit, some daring mountaineers have attempted to do so but with no luck. Trekking all the way up to the peak of Mount Kailash is held to be a forbidden act among Hindus for the fear of trespassing the sanctity of the mountain and disturbing the divine energies residing there. As per Tibetan lore, a monk named Milarepa once ventured far enough to reach the top of Mount Meru. When he returned, he forewarned everyone to avoid bothering the god resting high up in the peak. Two beautiful lakes, namely Mansarovar and Rakshastal, are located at the base of Mount Kailash. Mount Kailash is believed to be the axis mundi, aka the cosmic axis, world axis, world pillar, center of the world. The world tree, it is the point where heaven meets earth. The Google Maps vouched for the validity of this fact. Do not be surprised if you find your nails or hair grown by a few millimeters after returning from your Mount Meru trip. Tourists and pilgrims have discovered that the air of this ancient peak amps up the process of aging. Once a group of climbers of Siberian origin reached a head of a certain point and immediately aged by a few decades. Shockingly, all of the trespassers died of old age a year after.